Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and record with your GoPro in the vertical stance when you have it mounted to like your chest, your head, or any other mount. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So let's say I want to go ahead and make a TikTok video or a YouTube short video, and I want to go ahead and record in the vertical stance just like a cell phone would when you have it in your hand. But how would I go ahead and mount it, because none of the mounts are vertical like this? Well, there's one easy trick that can go ahead and help you out. So an easy way to get around this problem is by putting your GoPro in the vertical stance just like this, then rotating it horizontal while it's recording and place it on your mount. Now, the GoPro is going to record in the vertical stance even though it's horizontal. And with the horizon lock on, it's going to flip the entire orientation so it's still vertical even though it's horizontal. Okay, so here is my GoPro. I'm going to flip it to the vertical stance, and I have horizon leveling on in the bottom right. Then I'm going to press record. Now I'm going to go and flip it to the horizontal, and it's still recording my horizon. Now I'm going to press the record button again, and I'm going to save the video. Now let's go back to my video manager. You can see it's still in the vertical stance, and I'm rotating it. Boom. So that is how you record vertical and put it in one of your mounts and upload your video to like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, etc. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more GoPro tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Adventures.